A severe thunderstorm watch 462 is in effect until 10 p.m. until 12 a.m. EDT for the following locations: MD. Maryland counties included are Allegheny and Arundel, Baltimore, Calvert, Carroll, Cecil, Charles, Frederick, Garrett, Harford, Howard, Montgomery, Prince George's, St. Mary's, Washington, Maryland. Independent cities included are Baltimore City. Main threats: isolated tornado, flooding, large hail, and likely road closures, damage to roofs, and possible tornado watch, as also with power outages. Stay away from windows and don't walk outside, stay indoors.